Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris, and I got Mr. Dean on the scene.
Hey, nieces and nephews.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Now look, Whole Foods just did a food donation to
Association House
that he works for. Now, what you can do is find a supermarket near you, ask them if they do donations and where to. That way you can go to that place and get some free food.
and get some healthy eating.
Yes. Now, we got a food pantry haul right here. We're going to show you what we get and how to use it. Come on with us. Check this out, nieces and nephews. We got some white beans. You make a bean soup, don't
Yes,
you?
and Great Northern beans with smoked turkey tails. This is our proteins.
Yeah. Proteins here. We got some. Now, you all know I make my split pea soup. My mother's recipe. Y'all know that. You know, we got that. But mac and cheese, we got 4 boxes.
Okay.
Now, I don't use the pack in there. The seasoning pack has got way too much salt. Because if you look on the back here, sodium. Why can't I find the sodium? Oh, 440 milligrams. You think that's not too much, but it's got 3 servings in here. So that's 440 times 3.
Wow. You're going to have a stroke, Uncle Chris.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
So what Uncle Chris is going to do, take this pasta. I'll make my own cheese sauce. I sometimes even use low sodium cheese, okay? But I got these. Well, I should say Mr. Dean did because he was over there. We got 4 apples. Don't y'all pass up on these apples. Look at this. Some nice apples.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Only if you aim it right. I'm joking. That's terrible.
Okay.
Okay. My doctor's gonna call me and kill me. We got a potato. 1 potato?
I guess that's what that's
Okay.
that's the bags that they made up for us there.
We got 2 onions. We got so many onions, y'all. We're gonna donate some of this food, of course. The people that need it in the neighborhood, we're gonna do that. But we got 2
Maybe you
nice-
can make some French onion soup.
I did say I'm gonna do some more, yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna do that, okay. I'll remake that French onion soup. We got some walnuts. Uncle Mike is gonna like
Okay.
it.
Fiber.
Yes. Roasted almonds.
This right here, you make a good with your salad, goat cheese, cranberries, and raisins.
Yes. And speaking of which,
This right here, they already roasted. You can glaze these as well with honey and put them on top of your salad.
okay, we're gonna do that. And speaking of the cheese, look at this. Oh, what kind is this? Oh, the herb. Oh my goodness. You know what? These eyes. Okay. Y'all can see if you read this. It's the herb cheese. Really nice. Look at that. This would be nice on a salad or some crackers. Oh yeah.
You know, Whole Foods, they getting fancy on us.
Oh, whole milk yogurt. Oh, it's a coffee yogurt, you all. A coffee yogurt. I can't believe that. We got some pesto. Now, to me, pesto sauce is only good when it's fresh. Got to be fresh. Yeah. Excuse me, y'all. I had to turn the light on. We're up here doing the show and didn't even turn the light on. Oh. No, this is mine. Strawberry yogurt. He knows I like. Oh wait, we could do something.
And then see, guys, it's dairy free. So people that has lactose intolerant.
You.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, I'll say that for you.
Okay.
We got some whole milk because I am going to do some smoothies. I'm going to show you all how to do them the healthy way without too much sugar because we're going to use honey, but we're also going to use some stevia. Okay. Now we're going to go on the other side and we're going to show you the really cool stuff we got. Come on. All right. Let me show you what we got. Starting from left to right, black beans. The possibilities with this is endless. I also make a black bean soup. It's a very Latino thing, but I'll make it for you guys to see if you like it too.
And then also, you remember the other day, I took 2 cans of those black beans, a half a cup of rice, and I cut up sausage in them, and I made a black bean and rice sausage.
It is so good. I'm gonna have him redo that for you guys. Okay, I'm telling you now. Okay, we got 2 cans of ravioli. That will be for Jay's little bad self when he gets over here. We also got some spaghetti rings. Once again, now you know what? If you bake these with cheese and some sauces, put a little bit of tomatoes in it, it's wonderful. Kids love it. They will eat it up. They will eat it up. We got, now this is my thing. 2 cans, no salt added green beans. I can make a wonderful green bean casserole with that. Or, we got whole kernel corn, no salt added. I can make a corn pudding. My sister makes a wonderful corn pudding. It's good.
And then something else too, guys. When I guess with the sausage, I can show you how you can take sausage with the black beans, also with the corn and the string beans, and make a quick stir fry with the string beans and the corn and the sausage.
Okay, we're gonna do that.
Okay.
We're doing that.
Okay.
Oh, 2 chicken noodle soups. Now these aren't salt free, so you know what I use these for? In a big pot of something, I'll only use 1 can to season it if it needs like some chicken stock or something. And lots of water, because the sodium in here is a little high.
Stroke.
Yeah. A whole roast chicken. Ooh.
This is what I used on the last video as the roasted chicken from Whole Foods for my roasted chicken and dumplings.
Yes, that was really good. Now, Dean, this is your stuff here, what you like. So tell me about that.
Okay, we're gonna start over here. This right here is a 3 cheese and kale base dish that they have at Mariano's.
Well, you can't have cheese.
Okay, I can't have cheese. So I'm just gonna have that. Got that from here. This right here is a gluten-free, so the people that's allergic to wheat and stuff, waffles. But I mean, their stuff is really good and tasty once you taste it. You wouldn't even know the difference.
No, you wouldn't. You really wouldn't. It's really good.
Now this is my healthy stuff that Chris like he like yuck, but this is a pickled cauliflower. So I mean it is really good. So the cauliflower. So also the pickled stuff is a natural probiotic. So it helps you keep your guts clean, and it's a natural antibiotic that helps kill the bacteria in your intestines.
Really?
Yes. And this also here is the pickled pepper.
Oh, no, I want some of those.
Okay, so it's the same concept. Peppers also, I'm on a diet. I picked up an extra few little pounds during the holiday season.
Oh, boo-hoo, okay. Look at me.
So peppers, a lot of time eating peppers, it fills you up, and it helps you, fills your belly up to control your eating. So that's another thing why I got that there. Okay, this right here, it's made out of sweet potatoes.
Oh.
We got to sample that. I'm not sure. So
I've had that. I think it's pronounced ganache.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to have to sample this and figure out what we're going to do with this. I don't know if we can put some butter, sugar, or what's on top of it, or what kind of sauce, but, Chris will figure it out. Uncle Chris will figure it out.
You can put, believe it or not, you can put 2 types of sauces I've tried so far. One is a creamy garlic, and the other is gravy. Yes, I'm telling you now, gravy.
Another thing here, we got these pasteurized eggs, the brown eggs and stuff there as well.
Okay, and guess what I'm gonna make, y'all? I'm gonna make my own mayonnaise, and I'm gonna show you how to do it.
And then this right here, they have both eggs, so I got a carton each. And so Whole Foods donates to us every Wednesday. Participants of my next job class and the participants of the Bankworks program, and then also the culinary program, they're able to come in and we give them bags, and then also we have participants that sign up for the food pantry. So if you need other information, you can go to Association House. You can look at my program, Next Job. that I help with people resumes, cover letters, show them how to do a Zoom, and we help connecting with recruiters. We have an ex-offender program for the culinary. Anybody that have any judicial programs pay $16 an hour for 8 weeks, and then they trained under with a chef from 4 Seasons. We get knives, the culinary stuff, and then they also come to me. I help them find jobs. Then we also have a BankWorks program that the banks sponsor, like 20 banks sponsor the programs. That's for 8 weeks. They get a stipend, help with transportation, and the banks on graduation. We just had a graduation last week for the BankWorks program, and had like 100-some interviews with the students. So most of them get hired on the same day they graduate. Also, tomorrow the culinary class is graduating. They're having a cook-all, and then my class is graduating for next job, my second class of the year.
Wow. So, guys, there's always somewhere to reach out to. If you're in the Chicago area, look us up. Come to Mr. Dean on the scene, and he can help you out. If you need a job, he can help you out. If you need a resume, he can help you out. And I can also help you out with some food. I can get a donation and get it to you. I could go to a food pantry for you and bring it to you. All right? Now, remember, Dean on the scene, we're going to put his site up, okay? We're going to get that together. So we want you to what? Like, comment, subscribe. Okay.
Thanks, nieces and nephews. I'm looking forward to make my my Chicago style jambalaya, because I'm gonna use sausage that's made from a minority company here that started in Chicago, Parker House.
All right. Big love from Uncle Chris and Dean on the scene.
Nieces and nephews.